Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Ice candy, a refreshing treat with endless possibilities. There's something magical about ice candy. It's simple, refreshing, and universally loved. From tropical streets in the Philippines to backyard freezers worldwide, this frozen treat takes on many forms but always delivers joy. Known by different names across cultures, it's more than just a summer snack, it's a cherished tradition in many households. In this video, we'll explore how ice candy came to be, why it's so popular, and how you can make your own. Whether you're looking for inspiration or a taste of nostalgia, there's something here for everyone. The origins of ice candy. Ice candy, loved by people of all ages, has a history as colorful and varied as the flavors it comes in today. To truly appreciate this refreshing treat, let's dive into where it all began and see how it became a beloved snack around the world. Early history of frozen treats. The roots of ice candy stretch back thousands of years. In fact, ancient cultures experimented with early frozen desserts long before refrigeration existed. The Chinese were among the pioneers, reportedly combining snow with fruit juices as far back as 2000 BCE. This simple yet ingenious method of cooling sweet liquids laid the foundation for frozen treats. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, the Persians were creating their own icy innovation. They perfected a dish called folade, a dessert made of vermicelli noodles mixed with syrup, rose water, and snow collected from mountain tops. These early creations were both practical and celebratory, offering relief from hot climates while showcasing culinary ingenuity. As these ideas traveled through trade routes and evolved over time, they inspired countless variations across the globe. While the treats of ancient times didn't resemble today's ice candy, their influence is undeniable. They demonstrated how freezing could transform simple ingredients into something extraordinary. Ice candy's popularity in the Philippines. Fast forward to the Philippines, and you'll find ice candy thriving as a quintessential part of daily life. Walk through any neighborhood or street market, and you're bound to spot children slurping brightly colored ice candies from handheld plastic tubes. But how did this tradition start? Ice candy became widely popular in the Philippines for a few reasons: affordability, accessibility, and adaptability. It's an ingenious way to turn excess fruit or leftover ingredients into a profitable snack. Vendors, often local mums or small businesses, would freeze mixtures of coconut milk, tropical fruits, and even chocolate in long, thin plastic bags. These treats were then sold for just a few pesos, making them a staple for kids and families seeking relief from the country's humid weather. Beyond its practicality, ice candy is also deeply woven into Filipino culture. It's more than a snack, it's a piece of nostalgia. Many Filipinos recall growing up with their favorite flavors, from mango and buko, young coconut, to more indulgent varieties like ube, purple yam, or avocado. To this day, ice candy remains a symbol of community, homegrown creativity, and carefree childhood summers. Global variations of ice candy. While ice candy has a unique identity in the Philippines, its charm isn't limited to one region. Around the world, similar frozen treats have taken on their own cultural flair. These variations highlight how a simple concept adapts to local palates and traditions. Take the United States, for example, where popsicles reign supreme. Invented in the early 20th century, the popsicle shares ice candy's essence: frozen, flavorful, and portable. The key difference: popsicles use wooden sticks instead of plastic bags for easy handling. In India, there's kulfi, a rich and creamy cousin to ice candy. Unlike the light, fruit-based mixtures common in the Philippines, kulfi is slow-cooked with milk and spices like cardamom, giving it a dense and luxurious texture. Kulfi may also be frozen in molds or served on sticks, mirroring the convenience that people everywhere love in frozen snacks. In Latin America, paletas steal the spotlight. These colorful treats, made with fresh fruit and sometimes whole chunks of it, offer a vibrant twist. Much like ice candy, they reflect the flavors and ingredients of the region, with combinations like tamarind, lime, mango, and chili. The global rise of these variations proves one thing: people everywhere love a good frozen treat. While the methods, flavors, and forms may differ, the joy they bring is universal. Ice candy, in its many forms, continues to connect cultures through its refreshing simplicity. How to make ice candy at home. Making ice candy at home is easy, fun, and the perfect way to cool off on a hot day. Whether you're creating treats for a party or just satisfying your sweet tooth, homemade ice candy lets you customize flavors and ingredients to your liking. Let's walk through what you'll need, how to make it, and some creative ideas to level up your ice candy game. Essential ingredients and tools. Before you get started, gather everything you'll need. The beauty of ice candy is that it requires only a few basic ingredients, and you likely have most of them in your kitchen already. Here's a list of the essentials. Milk. Use fresh, evaporated, or condensed milk depending on the creaminess you prefer. Non-dairy alternatives like almond or coconut milk also work. Sugar. Granulated sugar is common, but feel free to use honey or a sweetener of your choice. Fruits. Mangoes, bananas, avocado, strawberries, or any fruit you love. Fresh, canned, or frozen fruits all work well. Plastic bags or molds. Look for small, food-safe plastic bags specifically made for ice candy. If you prefer, you can use popsicle molds instead. Water. This helps balance out the mixture and keeps the texture light. Optional tools make the process even easier. Blender. Perfect for creating smooth fruit mixtures or blending in milk and sugar evenly. Measuring cups and spoon, to ensure you get the ingredient ratios right. Funnel or pitcher with a spout. This simplifies pouring the mixture into the narrow plastic bags. Step-by-step preparation guide. Once you have everything ready, it's time to make your ice candy. The steps are simple enough for beginners, and even kids can join in to help. Mix your base. Start with your liquid base. Combine milk, water, and sugar in a bowl. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Use a ratio of about 3 cups of liquid, milk and water, to half cup of sugar, but adjust sweetness to taste. Add your flavors. If using fruits, puree them in a blender until smooth. You can also mash them by hand if you like a chunkier texture. Mix the fruit puree or mash into your liquid base. For non-fruit flavors, like chocolate or peanut butter, whisk these in until well blended. Taste and adjust. Before pouring, taste your mixture. Now's your chance to adjust sweetness or tweak the flavors for balance. Prepare the bags or molds. Place your plastic bags upright in a container or use a mold stand to keep things stable. Pour the mixture, using a funnel or a carefully controlled pour. Fill each plastic bag about 3/4 full. Leave some space at the top for tying the bag shut. If using molds, fill them to the max fill line. Seal it up. For plastic bags, gently twist the top and knot it tightly. If using molds, insert the sticks and secure the lids. Freeze. Lay the bags or molds flat in a freezer. Let them freeze for at least 4 to 6 hours or until completely solid. That's it. Once frozen, your ice candies are ready to enjoy. Simply tear off the plastic, or pop them out from the mold, and savor the refreshing treat. Creative ice candy flavor ideas. One of the best parts of making ice candy is experimenting with flavors. You're not limited to the classics. Mix and match ingredients to create something exciting or build on nostalgic combinations inspired by your favorite treats. Here are a few ideas to inspire you. Tropical bliss. Blend fresh mangoes with coconut milk for a creamy twist. Add a pinch of shredded coconut for texture. Feeling adventurous? Toss in a dash of lime juice for a zesty kick. Chocolate overload. Mix cocoa powder or chocolate syrup into your milk base, then add chocolate chips or crushed cookies for a crunchy surprise. For extra indulgence, swirl in some caramel sauce. Berry yogurt scoops. Combine a mix of strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries with plain or flavored yogurt. This makes for a healthy, tangy option that's as refreshing as it is filling. Avocado delight. Smooth, creamy, and surprisingly rich, avocado ice candy is a Filipino classic. Sweeten it with condensed milk and a touch of sugar to enhance its natural flavor. Sweet and salty. Pair caramel with a tiny pinch of sea salt. The contrast of flavors is out of this world. You could also use salted peanuts or pretzel bits for added crunch. Citrus pop. Opt for fresh orange juice, calamansi, or lemonade. Add some zest to give it extra brightness. Bonus, float in small chunks of the fruit for a popsicle meets fruit cup treat. Healthy green goodness. For a nutrient-packed option, blend spinach or kale with pineapple and apple juice. It's an ice candy that doubles as a refreshing smoothie you can hold in your hand. Feel free to experiment with other ingredients like nuts, jelly pieces, or candies. With ice candy, the possibilities are endless. It's all about mixing your favorites in a way that makes you smile. Now that you're equipped with ingredients, instructions, and plenty of flavor inspiration, making ice candy is not only doable, it's plain fun. Have you thought of your first batch flavor yet? That's it for part 1. We hope you're excited to learn more. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll show you how to make your own delicious ice candy at home. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.